So on this video, we're going to be talking about the AD1800.6 amplifier. It is actually rated at 170 x 4, 350 x 2 on 5th and 6th channel, and it is also rated at 1000 x 1 on the 5th and 6th channel too as well. So this is a very large amplifier. We're getting ready to test this out. We're going to be doing this in a few vehicles in the next few weeks, so we'll be able to give you like an actual video of what it sounds like, what it performs like, a little bit more in depth of what this amplifier will do once we get some testing done on it. So this video is going to kind of show you the chassis. We'll kind of show you the fronts, the sides. We'll show you what the terminals and everything look like. But as far as it goes, this looks like one very solid large amplifier that'll put out a lot of power. Well, we're excited to announce we're going to make another video on AUDIODYNAMICS today. They are actually releasing a new sale going on for a limited time. You must use a coupon code. The coupon code will be Driven Auto Salon, all one word, and it will have a capital D. You must make sure that you capitalize the D because it will not work without that. So with that coupon code, you will get the sale price that they are offering. We don't know how long this sale is going on. It could go on for a couple more days. They're saying possibly maybe a week. So it is a very limited sale, but we would like to announce that AD product is now going to have a very large sale for a limited time offer. But you have to use the coupon code Driven Auto Salon, all one word with a capital D. We will also have that below on our YouTube video with all the information on how you can do that. Once that sale is done, you can also purchase it from us as well. We do carry a lot of the AD product in stock, including subwoofers, speakers, and amplifiers. So if you'd like some more information as well, we'll have their website down below and all of our information down below in the description underneath in this YouTube video.